Hello guys, so we just finished this beautiful project. We installed a completely new floor here. It's vinyl waterproof flooring. So we had a slightly problem here. All this area of the house went down a little bit. By the way, we did the foundation work before as well. We support the foundation a little bit and then apply some Simpson brackets. So this section of the floor went down like maybe 4 or 5 inches, so we had to apply wood and plywood on top, and only then we put the floor. Also, we install this electrical fireplace instead of the gas line, so we cut all the gas lines and then we just run electrical line over here and install the fireplace and then paint everything around. And then here in this room, let's go here. So this area was leveled down like around 7 inches. So we level up, and now it's the same level with the main floor. As you can see over here, we have a carpet per client request, and then here we did like an entertaining niche. So there is a recessed TV area. It was a fireplace as well. So we frame in additional wall to install the electrical fireplace, and then we did a recessed niche for the TV and mounted here. Of course, we run all the lines, and then we apply drywall texture and match the color to the rest of the area over here. Baseboards in the bottom, and then we paint this section as well. Now, in order to install this floor, we had to put waterproofing membrane in the bottom, and then we install 2x6 wood all the way, supported to the foundation, and then in between we also apply insulation, so it will be a little bit more warmer in the winter. Let's go to the room. It was like an old ceiling with some old material, like plastic. So we uninstalled everything. We installed drywall, patched the drywall, paint, installed the insulation back, and then here we installed completely new closet. So we frame everything in and then install those doors. And that's pretty much it. In this room we installed new carpet, and then we paint this wall, and then we paint the baseboards as well. I'll see you in the next project.